Hello guys, welcome to Wise Vids. My name is Wiseman and today I'm going to show you how to build Lego Nerf attachments. First of all, my friends, why would you need Lego Nerf attachments? You got perfect Nerf attachments right here, with all the red dot sights and everything. The thing is, my friends, what if you don't have these? What if you're waiting for your birthday to get these, but you need some Nerf attachments right now? And if you got a lot of Lego pieces like I do, you can easily make Lego Nerf attachments. So let's get into it. Here are all the pictures of the pieces you're gonna need, guys. You do not need matching pieces unless you want to make your attachment look cooler. If you do not have these exact pieces, it is possible to use alternative pieces, but using these pieces are the easiest to make the attachment. So once you've taken your pieces, you're going to want to take these both 6x1 brick pieces, and then take these 6x2 lengthier pieces and fix them onto each other as I am showing you right now. Once you fix your pieces like this, you're going to have to take your 6x4 piece and turn it sideways and fix it on as I am showing you right now. After that, we're going to put this a little bit to the side and start off with the tooth. Now, as you can see in regular Nerf attachments, they have this piece here, which is what we built here, but the Nerf tooth is the thing that holds it in place so it doesn't slide off the rail. So we're going to build that, but in Lego way. I'm going to start by taking this 2x2 piece, but the bottom must be empty. There has to be no studs or no connector pieces, just an empty plate, and the top has to have these 4 studs facing outward. Then you take your 2x1 piece, fix it onto this one, then take your 2x1 piece with the connector on top and fix it like this, so. You might have seen this piece on Lego or Ninjago, you know, those skeleton bone things. I don't watch Ninjago, I don't know, but you might have seen these leg pieces like that on those Lego Ninjago stuff. So you take one of those and fix them on as seen like that. So once you're done with this thing, you're supposed to take these 2 pieces, the connector ones 2x2, the 2x1 connector pieces, and you should fix them to this 2x3 piece. And then after that, you should connect them as I am showing you, but it should connect as so. After that, you're gonna just take your connector piece, just fix it to the first stud you see as so. After that, my friends, the final step is you should take your piece as shown like this and fix it to the front top. Now this is the sturdiest Lego base connector for the Nerf rail I have made in my life, like the sturdiest. For most, like if you don't care about your Lego pieces and you need a really sturdy Nerf attachments, I would recommend gluing these, but I need my pieces so I wouldn't glue them. Now on to fixing this to the Nerf rail, you should remove this piece like this, raise this piece up, and take your Nerf gun. As you can see from the top, this piece should just slide in easily, and then the tooth, you see the tooth, like I said, should slide forward and should fix it in right there. It should be fine like that. It should hook into place. Then you should push this thing down, like try not to break it, but it should fix down, and take this piece and fix it onto the top. There you go. Now it's actually pretty sturdy even without glue. It is very, very sturdy, but still I have noticed like it doesn't slide off the rail and fall, but I noticed like the connectors just remove and fall off. That's the only way it could remove, so that's why I'm saying it would be easier if you glue them, but I wouldn't glue my own pieces. After that, my friends, it's all up to you. You can build up any parts on top of this rail, like a scope or a vertical grip or anything you want, actually, dart holders, stuff like that. But as you can see, vertical grips, I can recommend a way to make a vertical grip, taking a piece like this and just sliding it on. I'm going to give you a small demonstration here. Now this vertical grip can be held quite like any vertical grip. The thing is, it's not sturdy. There's a bit of wobble over here, but like I said, if you glue the pieces in, it would be quite easier to use and there would be less wobble. On to the next one, the shield. You can take quite a lot of pieces, a big base plate, and then fix all these connector pieces like that and just fix them onto this thing. And like I said again, it's not sturdy, but it just quite hold up enough, and you could like, you know, shoot through it and do some parkour and stuff like that. But it's not enough to like block a huge missile or a mega dart, but it's enough to block elite darts. You can make it bigger, of course. There are way bigger Lego base parts and base plates and stuff like that. But like I said earlier, it's not very sturdy. There's a bit of wobble, but like I said, gluing them can solve that problem too. And on to the final one, my friends, the dart holder. There you go. As you can see, there's a bit of wobble still, but do I have to keep repeating it? If you glue the pieces, they'll all be fine. After once you fixed it, you can take your Nerf darts, the elite darts. The mega darts might fit, but they might just slide off, but the elite darts work perfectly. If you take the elite darts, you can just slide them in like that to the dart holder, and when you like need the darts, you can just take them and fill them into your gun and take it. Look at that. That looks kind of cool. But like I said, if you had matching pieces, it will look way cooler, and like you can build a cover out of Lego to the top. But I don't have much pieces. I mean, I have a considerable amount of pieces, but it's really hard to find matching pieces, and you technically don't need matching pieces for the functionality of the thing, but it'll work just fine without them. So that was my Lego Nerf attachment, guys. If you want to see more Nerf attachments and more options on what you want to build on top of this thing, let me know in the comment section. And thanks for watching, guys. See you next time. Wise signing out.